kind of depressing, I can't lie to you. I actually can't believe after over 2 years, this setup has been perfect. Nothing has gone wrong. It's just been mint. Everyone knew that this car deserved bigger and better things. But before we get to the video, let's cue the intro.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out?
Right shit, keep that in the trap, yeah. Right shit, meet me in the back, yeah. Rich, yeah, get on with the game.
Today is officially day one of the FGX's new build. It's gonna be the new series that we're gonna be dropping. We're gonna be updating you guys every week to see what we're doing with this car. So get excited, I'm pretty excited. And I guess it's time to pull it apart. Let's go. So basically what's going on is I'm taking the engine out, the trans out, intercooler, turbo, almost everything, because we're gonna be rebuilding everything, new motor, new turbo setup, etc. I don't want to say too much. I kind of want to just update you guys as we go along. Let's get to it. I'm gonna take the bumper off, probably start taking off the intercooler and things like that. And it's very real to me now, and I'm kind of depressed. So first steps first, taking the bumper off, because obviously you got to get to the intercooler. You got to take the bumper off. We've got all these little screws that look like this, and they're taken off with a 7mm. Weird ass size. Basically all those are like stone protectors on the bottom of the car is like with a 7mm. Really weird. And then you have these screws, which are 10mm, that connect the fender to the bumper. You gotta take those off. All right, to take the top cover off here, you need a screwdriver and this little plucking tool. You got a screwdriver, a little screw out of the piece, and then pluck them up with the plucking tool, and that will remove this. Voila. All right, I'm gonna take these 10mm off. There's quite a few of them, so I just use the drill because I'm a lazy cunt. Well, it's not lazy, you just gotta work smart, not hard. There we go. Sweet. Oops. Damn.
Disconnect your lights.
Okay. Out this way?
Yeah.
Alright, sweet. Can put it right here for now. As you can see, the bumper is completely off. And we got right in front is this stage 2 process wetting intercooler that we're gonna take off because someone's bought it. And I'm not gonna tell you guys what we're gonna upgrade it with yet. We're just gonna wait to a future video, and that's when you'll know. But yeah, we're gonna dismantle the intercooler, maybe like the air intake, take the battery off, and I know, we'll see what we can do. All right, time to take the intercooler off. Let's take these, let's loosen the clamps. One clamp here. Fully loosen that bad boy up. Fuck, this clamp won't come off. Alright, this is day 2 of pulling the car apart. I'm not sure if the video just randomly cut off, but we got the bumper off, intercooler off, air intake kit off, all the stone protectors on the bottom of the front bar. We're gonna take the oil out of the engine, we're gonna take the gunky shit out of the catch can, and I think I'm gonna remove the battery. Gonna try and get this ECU cover off because it's really stuck on there. And we're just gonna do a few more bits and pieces as we go on. All right, let's take this catch can off. The catch can is actually bolted on underneath the coolant tank, so you gotta take the coolant tank nuts out, or bolts, whatever you wanna call them. All right, catch can's out. Empty it in my oil bucket now. That shit nasty. I'm gonna have to clean it anyways, so fuck it. All right, let's get, oh. Where are we? It's gotta be 15 then. Holy cunt. Let's start. Now get the fuck out of the way, because this oil is gonna come flying out. I'm just gonna roll up my sleeves because I don't want the fucking oil down my sleeve. Oil spillage. So the catch can is empty. I gotta take off the fans now. I don't know how to do it, never done it before, but we'll figure it out. The reason why, because it's gonna be easier for us to drain the coolant when the fans are gone, because there's a clamp on the bottom left of the radiator. And that's where the hose comes down to this lowest point. So we want to get rid of as much coolant as possible. So we're gonna do it from the lowest point. Got these containers ready for nuts and bolts for this whole thing that I'm gonna need. Yeah, just come out, bro. Just come out, just come out. Yeah, just come out. Don't argue, don't argue. Oh, cunt, what the fuck? What glue did you put on this shit? There we go, cunt. The glue just would not come off. Thank you. That took too long for no reason. I don't know why I can never find a size 4 Allen key or a size 10 socket bit. I swear that's like the only two things that go missing. This better not go flying out, cunt. I have a bad feeling about this. Ah! Cunt! What the fuck? Oh, I would've got fucked up if that was oil. Have that, bitch. Cunt, that'd be dusty as hell. Come here, coolant tank. All right, the battery relocation. Fushy rusty. And this plate as well. See ya. As you can see, we're under the car now. I took off most of the accessories. Not really, did as much as I could do today. My dad's just taking us to the tail shaft now and start dismantling the engine, taking it completely out. My back's itchy, don't know why. I think there's a bit on the floor laying down. Can't really see much right now, but coolant tank's gone, catch can's gone, air intake's gone, battery relocation is gone, intercooler's gone, fan is gone. We're gonna try to keep the rest of it complete and take it out like that. Got Grandpa under the car, look at him.
Really?
Straight from work, straight onto this. I didn't even know he was here. I heard the compressor on, and I'm like, it's getting dark right now. Go outside and it's him, obviously working on the car. He's just too quick with it, doesn't want to wait for the video. I don't blame him though. He comes home from his mechanic job and then comes straight onto the car. Spastic. Alright, standard tail shafts out. A few bits and pieces just lying around places, blah blah blah. It's just a mess right now, but we'll organize it up. Once the engine's out and gone, we start doing the build properly. Alright, pretty much gonna call for this video, guys. We're legit, this is the first video of the rebuild of the G6E version 2. I hope you guys are as keen as I am. This is just the beginning, obviously taking the motor out and kind of getting rid of the old setup. Yeah, we're excited. I mean, I am. I don't know about my dad because he works on cars all day and then comes home and works on cars. So it's kind of fucked up, but I think it's gonna be worth it in the end. And I know we said we're gonna do track days on this setup, but we're definitely gonna do track days on this setup. If we don't get this motherfucker down the quarter mile, this motherfucker right there, if we don't get him in the car down the quarter mile, I'm pissed. We're gonna straight full boost. He's gonna go full boost straight away. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you guys next time. Shop GameWinningKill.com. All the money I get from that goes to the cars and goes to the videos, so I appreciate your support. Let's go.